Connect the line after receiving the machine. First, connect the lithium battery. Note that there is a gap, the notch on the handle of the machine. Be sure to align and plug tightly it. Hear a creak. That way, it's already connected. Connect and turn on the power switch to start working. Turn off the power switch. Remove the lithium battery. There's a red button below. Hold down and pull it down. Afterwards, let's connect the adapter. Powered by 110 to 220 volts. Remember, to use an adapter for power supply, the battery needs to be removed. If battery power is required, can't connect the adapter for power supply. Be sure to insert it tightly. Note that there is a gap at the end of the standby indicator. Be sure to align and tighten it. Turn on the power switch. This way, it can work. Click to start homework. After the command in the bottom left corner is completed, welcome to use. Afterwards, we will proceed with the operation. Click to create a tag. Click on the graphic. Click OK. Select the appropriate graphics. Modify height and width. Modify according to actual situation, in millimeters. After making the modifications, click OK. Click on the view. Click to zoom out. Click to create a marker again. Established text. Click OK to enter the content you want to type. You can also modify the font style of the text. English characters can be modified according to actual situations' Chinese fonts. It can also be modified according to the actual situation. The height and width of characters are also measured in millimeters. Modify according to the actual situation. Click OK. If the graphics are created again afterwards, click again to create the marked text. .graphics. Let's input the graphics. Point establishment graph. OK. Modify its height and width according to the actual situation. You can do it. Click OK. Drag it down, one on each side. Turn to the bottom right corner. That's it. Moving as a whole. Left mouse button held down. Perform overall movement. You can also move the frame to the right. Move right up down. These can all be fine-tuned. After adjusting, we can meet the standards. Next, let's talk about the button functions. Stop button. The handle position has a red start button. Main power switch. Power indicator light. Force adjustment button. There are 3 gears in total. Large intensity, strong intensity, small intensity. There is an electromagnetic switch in front. The half-blade system is operated by an electromagnet. When it pops up, it turns off the electromagnet. This location is the DC interface of the adapter.